Ukraine is to blockade two major cities still in rebel hands as it continues its operation against pro-Russian separatists, a senior official says. The government says its forces have retaken two more eastern towns, Artymivsk and Druzhkivka. The official said they would now lay siege to the regional capitals of Luhansk and Donetsk. Government forces regained control of the key rebel strongholds of Sloviansk and Kramatorsk on Saturday. Senior Ukrainian security official Mykhailo Koval told Ukrainian television, "There is a clear strategic plan, which has been approved. The plan is focused on two major regional centers, Luhansk and Donetsk. These cities will be completely blockaded," he said. "These measures will result in the separatists, let us call them bandits, being forced to lay down arms. The level of support for the militants in the two regional capitals is unclear." However, several thousand people joined a rally in Donetsk on Sunday attended by leaders of the self-declared Donetsk People's Republic. The separatists declared independence in both Donetsk and Luhansk regions after Russia annexed the Crimea region in March. Despite their defeats in 4 towns and cities in the past 3 days, rebel units have staged several attacks on Ukrainian army positions in the past 24 hours, according to the Defense Ministry in Kiev. Overnight into Monday, the pro-Russian insurgents fired mortar rounds and machine guns at checkpoints around 4 towns, Interfax Ukraine news agency reported. On Sunday, the website of Ukrainian President Petro Poroshenko said the national flag was raised in Artymivsk and Druzhkivka. The two towns are not considered as strategic as Sloviansk, but retaking them indicates momentum is currently with government forces, says the BBC's David Stern in Kiev says. In a separate development, the government in Kiev said it had begun transferring pensions to Sloviansk and the nearby city of Kramatorsk, which was also recaptured from rebels on Saturday. Donetsk Regional Governor Serhiy Taruta said he thought electricity and health services could be up and running again during the week. "The task now is to get the hospital working since it is without electricity, then water, sewage, and we will work on all social services," he was quoted as saying by Interfax Ukraine news agency. Representatives from Ukraine, Russia and the Organization for Security and Cooperation, OSCE, in Europe met on Sunday to discuss the situation in eastern Ukraine, but OSCE officials said no breakthrough was achieved. Tensions remain high, our correspondent adds. In Kiev, local reports said unknown gunmen had opened fire early on Monday morning at a tent camp in the city center, causing injuries, but no deaths.